My brothers and sisters, interestingly, the Prophet ﷺ connects the heart to these deeds, and he says it is the weakest point of Iman, which proves to us that all these three levels would only be connected to your Iman. If your Iman is strong and you have the ability, you would do the first one. It's connected to your belief in Allah, which means an intention is of utmost importance. Why are you correcting this person? Is it done solely for the pleasure of Allah to try and bring this person within the obedience of Allah? Or is it done aggressively in order to hurt, in order to harm, in order to prove a point, in order to be the greater of the people, in order to show how strong you are? All of that becomes unacceptable. You are humbly doing it for the sake of Allah, to help a creature of Allah come closer to the obedience of Allah. This is why he says that it is the weakest sign of Iman, or the weakest level of Iman, is the last one. So the first one would be the strongest level. The second one would be the middle level, saying something by your tongue, and the last one, saying something by or at least feeling by the heart, is the lowest level.